Hello everyone, I hope that you are doing well. So if you enjoy our videos, I urge you to please put that in the comments. You can give feedback about how you are liking these videos. Are these videos really helpful for you? If there's anything like that, then please stop it right now and you can put that in the comment. That will give us some more enthusiasm and confidence that yeah, what work we are doing is actually good. So let us start with this question. In this question, it is given that ABCD are the points on circle with center O, BD is diameter, AC is a chord that is perpendicular to the diameter at E, so AC is perpendicular to the diameter, BE is 2 as it is given, CDE is 30, that also we can see. We need to get length of X, the distance between C and E. So these are some random questions in which there can be any application of circle theorem we can make and get it solved. Let us try which circle theorem can be used over here. Now since BD is a diameter, okay, BD is a diameter. OB is a line that passes through center and that is 90 degree to the chord AC. If it is 90 degree, it means it will also bisect AC. It means that if EC is X, then AC will also be X. The theorem what we are using is perpendicular from center bisects the chord. That is X. Another thing what we can see over here is if this is 30 degree and the segment is BC, this is making an angle 30 degree. The same will make same angle at any other part. So this is also 30 degree. Okay, so now all what we have is a triangle AEB for which we have an angle 30 degree. This is A, this is E, and this is B, and we need to find X, and BE is 2. So this information is more than enough to get what they are asking. So we will use tan 30 is equal to opposite over adjacent, and X is equal to 2 over tan 30. The value of tan 30 is 1 over root 3, so it will be 2 over 1 over root 3. Root 3 will eventually come up, so the answer will be 2 root 3. Let me write here as well. The final answer is 2 root 3. How we got it? Just check that out. If there's any part of the video you didn't understood, you can watch that part again. And I hope that you like it, you understood it well. If it is, then please hit like button as well. And we will see you in the next video very soon.